We started in 1968. My dad started it with 4 people in a small shack. Started with handmade ornamental ware, especially for the US and the Japanese market. But now we have a completely different strategy to survive in this very competitive market. So we collect a lot of data in manufacturing. Most of the data was duplicated, difficult to access, sometimes not updated properly. So because of all this, we did a lot of double work. Decisions were sometimes more difficult to make because we didn't have real-time data. Sometimes we would reorder things that, we actually didn't need where there was stock.
Everything else was done manual. Once we prepared the financial statements and other things, come across some disparities in the numbers.
When looking for a ERP, especially in a company like ours where we weren't really too tech savvy, I had to make sure that it was a system that was cloud-based, where we didn't need infrastructure to run it, and it was user-friendly with a good user interface.
Now the data is centralized. Everyone is using the same data. We are getting updated, accurate reports and also data-driven decisions. So now we know our cash inflows and outflows and all that stuff.
So we went from Stone Age to digital age. It's future-proof. We don't have to worry about upgrades not being available for us. And the cloud-based is completely scalable. We have saved a lot of money not keeping unnecessary inventory or even ordering too early, or sometimes even ordering too late.
Gather data and prepare the sales order. Sometimes you have to copy-paste data from various documents and it took a long time. And once you prepare the sales order, then you have to do the production order. Altogether, it took 4-5 days to prepare the order sheet. So that was a challenge. But now it is automatic. 50% of the time saved. So that's a huge saving when it comes to time.
Enterprise Analytics was our partner. The implementation strategy and the relationship we had with them was very good. They were always approachable by phone call or by email, and they still are.
Midaya Ceramic was a group of companies. We were able to get all these companies into one system. Module-based licenses was a perfect match for Midaya Ceramic because they were only paying for what they are using.
We can use the same system and implement Acumatica to those companies as well. And we don't have to worry about hardware and technical support.
The best part is, I think, the unlimited user access. It was easy to configure this, easier than we expected. It's a friendly ERP and it was easy to navigate. People are happy with that.
We have plans of expanding into different industries, and because we have Acumatica and it doesn't cost extra to add companies to the system, it's a great tool for companies that are hoping to expand in the future.